on top of our stovetop griddle here. Now it's already been seasoned and everything. It's an apple smoke seasoning. I'm just gonna throw a little flakes on there because I like herbs. I'm just gonna a little bit of it. Okay, not much. A little bit of garlic. So that's the turkey tenderloin, guys. And we gotta throw it on a little stovetop griddle here. Give it a little seasoning. Put the lid down. And let it go. Okay, so I'm back. As you know, it don't take long for the griddle, stovetop griddle, to grill a piece of meat. It's not done yet, but I'm gonna spread a little bit of barbecue sauce with sriracha mixed in it, just because. Just want to spice it up just a little bit, guys. Not much, just a little bit. Put that lid back down, let that go for about 5 more minutes. And that should be done. I'll test it with our little tester here. And that should be done. Be right back. I have a tenderloin over here because I don't have a mount. I'm just going to use my bottle of olive oil. Ready to go on the grill as soon as this one's done. As I suspected, but that's okay. Quite alright. Flip it over. Let it go another second. Add just a little bit more seasoning to this. It's already come seasoned on it. Little snappy mama. Not gonna hurt nobody. You know it's not. A little bit of garlic thrown in here. Oh, excuse me, won't hurt, won't hurt. And garlic definitely won't hurt. Yep, yes it is. Let's get that little ready there. See what's going on over here. Oh yes. I'm giving a little poke here. Between 150 and 160, so pretty much done. Check this out. I would say it's done. Just add a little bit more spicy barbecue sauce to that. Not much, just to give it a little glazy look. Just a little dab. What you think, guys? Look good? Look good? I'll put the lid down just a few more minutes so we can see what the bottom looks like here. Make sure you're not scorching it. So we have some perfectly grilled tenderloin here, apple smoked tenderloin. Put it in the container here. Of course, you know that's part of meal prep. And I got one more piece I need to cook. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Looks like the tenderloin over there is doing its thing back here. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the spaghetti squash and put it in my Instapot so that we can have spaghetti squash today. To go along with our tenderloin, I'll just have another vegetable or whatnot. So let me just scoop the innards out, put it in the Instapot, It'll cook for about 10 minutes maybe. I don't remember. I've cooked it several times before. Just put in a little garlic. A little salt. Just a little bit. I'm going to put it in the Instapot for 10 minutes and that should be done to go along with our juicy tenderloin over there. I'll be back. Adding some sweet potatoes to this meal today. Because I love sweet potatoes. And they're good for you. So you can talk much trash, huh? Those bad boys are going to go into the oven fryer. That's where they go. As soon as I put a little bit of spices on here, I'll be right back while I gather those spices. Okay, my friends, sprinkle a little bit of love here. We got some nutmeg, because I love nutmeg on my sweet potatoes, and just a little bit more spiciness, just a little bit more cinnamon. So yes, my friends, that's my sweet potato base right here. Just a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg sprinkled on top. I'm gonna throw in a couple slices of butter in here. I'm gonna go back to the old school way here. Got some K-roll syrup. I'm gonna swizzle a little top on here, just a little bit, just a little bit. For you those of you who don't know, K-roll syrup is the bomb, diggity. In the oven Profryer Elite, my friends, and we gonna have us some candy yams. I'll be back. Pro Oven Fryer Elite, here I come. Sweet potatoes in hand. So cut it in half so I can put it in this container. And like I said, I can for one piece. Doesn't have barbecue sauce on it, but I can do a number of things, you know, make a teriyaki, maybe even make a sandwich or two. But that's our turkey tenderloin. So that meat prep is done. Turkey tenderloin is done. Imagine getting your dinner cooked in less than 45 minutes, my friends. Gadgets. Love my gadgets. I'll be back. This, my buddy's back home from church service. So I made some cheese, eggs, and grits this morning. Well, I made some cheese eggs. I put a little egg in there for her and just a little piece of tenderloin. And that's going to be her morning brunch. Tenderloins done. I have yams in the oven. The spaghetti squash has just stopped. I'm going to go check on that. Look at that griddle. Nice and cleaned up. Yep, so I'll be back, guys. Okay, spaghetti squash ready. I'm just going to gather it out of the little shell here. Leave that right there for a second. Some butter in here. Just going to leave that in the bowl for a second. Throw in a little bit of parsley flakes. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of pepper. Hold on to that for a second. Just give it a couple more swirls. Alright. Okay. Out of the shell it went. All we have to do is see what tastes like. Spaghetti smash. Turkey tenderloins. Grilled turkey tenderloins. Just about time is almost over. And we're going to give this even one plate of cream cheese grits, over easy egg, and a piece of turkey tenderloins. That's going to be her brunch. Sweet potato still cooking in the Pro Oven fry, guys. When I'm done that, it's over. It's a wrap. Be back. So, this is the beginning of the week's meal prep. So, we have candy yams, spaghetti squash, grilled tenderloin. On top is just plain grilled tenderloin. On the bottom I spiced it up with a little bit of barbecue sauce on there. Only because some of us like barbecue sauce and some of us don't. But there's the one with the barbecue sauce. And on top is the one without. Anyway guys, that's our meal prep for a couple days. Of course, you know I'm going to add a little bit more, but that's just the beginning.